This topic is clamping circuit. So this is the circuit diagram, and here the V input Vi is a sine wave, and which is connected to the capacitor. Voltage across the capacitor is Vc, and the diode is D, P side and N side, and here we are taking voltage across output here across the diode. So let us assume that a sine wave is applied like this. This is positive and negative peak, like that goes on. It's a um, time scale is 0 to t by 2. 0 to t by 4 is maximum, reaches to Vm plus Vm, and from there up to t by 4 it is going down to 0, and t by 2 to 3t by 2 is going down to minus Vm. This is minus Vm, and similarly it is going up to 0. Thus it is repeating. Such wave is given as an input to the circuit. Then see how the circuit will be operated. So here first, initially during this condition, whenever input is applied from 0 to Vm, during this positive peak, diode is acting as a forward bias. So initially at the time, the moment the capacitor is connected, the capacitor is not acting as will not allow fast variation signals. So during that moment, this is the resultant of the circuit. So during this 0 to t pi by 4, a spike will be there, sine wave is there. So during this, the capacitor will be acting as a short circuit. So initially Vi is connected, so capacitor acts as a short circuit, because during transient conditions for fast variation of voltages, the capacitor is acting short circuit. So during this condition, it is forward bias, diode is forward bias, hence it is also short circuit. Then what is the output voltage? 0. That means when the input 0 to t by 4, the spike is waveform is going up to Vm. This is Vm. During that period time, voltage V naught is equals to 0. So that's why up to this is output. This is the signal output. This is the output signal. So during 0 to t by, that means during the transition 0 to t by 2 by 4, t by 4. So here V naught is equals to 0 because of this. Because diode is short circuit. Okay. Let us when the input starts from t by 4 to t by 2 or 3t by 2. So it is a positive going downward from plus Vm to minus Vm. So during this time period, let us see how the circuit will be operated. So here, so during the negative peak, once it reaches to peak value, once input during 0 to t by 4 it reaches to peak value, the capacitor holds whose maximum peak value, that means Vc is equals to minus Vm, plus Vm. Vc is equal to Vm. Once it reached, it becomes open circuit. It acting as a voltage source. But when the input is going down from this to this, and this to this, the capacitor is open circuit, and going down means during that time period it is 0, right? Once it reaches going down means diode becomes reverse bias, because it is a going down. Negative going down means diode is, this negative peak is applied to diode P side and N side, so it is reverse bias. Hence the circuit will be like this. Then what is V naught? V naught is equals to, if you apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, that is V naught is equals to Vc plus Vi. That means this is Kirchhoff's voltage law. If you apply Kirchhoff's voltage law during this, so minus Vi plus Vc is equals to V naught. So from this, V naught is equals to Vi minus Vc. So V naught is equals to Vi minus Vc, right? So when if you observe, when at time t is equal to t by 2, so what is the Vi? Vi is equals to what is the value? Input value Vi is equals to 0. Then what should be the output voltage? So since it is an equation, V naught is equals to Vi minus Vc. So when at time t by 2 is equals to Vi is equals to 0, then what is V naught? V naught is equals to, substitute Vi is equals to 0. then V naught is equals to, already capacitor voltage is equal to VC is equal to Vm, because it holds maximum value Vm. Then this becomes, substitute Va is equals to 0 and minus. So V naught is equals to minus Vm. So this is how V naught will be obtained. So that's why when when T is equal to T by 2, so when T is equal to T by 2, it is equal to minus Vm. So V naught is equals to minus Vm. Next, during this time period, when T by 2 to 3T by 2, it is going down. So what is Vm? Vm is equals to, now it is, Vm is equals to, reaches to this. That means Vm is equal to, what is the value Vm? V input value anta, what is the V input value? What is the input value is? Vi is equals to minus Vm. Then substitute at time t is equal to 3 t by 2, Vi is equal to minus Vm. Then what is V naught? V naught is equals to Vi minus Vc. Substitute Vi is equal to minus Vm, Vc is equal to plus Vm. So minus Vm minus Vm. So V naught is equals to minus 2 Vm. So this is equals to minus Vm. So thus V naught is equals to minus. From there onwards, when input is going down at time t is equal to Time t is equal to T. What is the V? What is the output voltage? What is the input voltage is equal to 0, because this is 0. So substitute V naught is equals to, from there V naught is equals to Vi minus Vc. So here Vc is equals to 0. V naught is equal, Vc is equal, capacitor voltage is equal to Vm. That is fixed. That is minus Vm. So minus Vm. So at time t minus Vm. Next, at time t is equal to T by 2, again this value. And what is this value? Input voltage is equals to plus Vm. So substitute input voltage is equal to plus Vm. This is input voltage is equal to, so V naught is equals to this thing, Vi minus Vc. This is plus Vm and this is Vm. So 0. So again, so see, this is, and again this value is equal to 0. That means when it reaches to this value is equals to 0. So this is output is equal to 0. This is 0. So thus this is shifted like this. This is what is called as a clamping. That is a negative clamping. It is going down. Now initially it is at 0 DC, but instead of by using this circuit, it is like this. Waveform is shifted like this. So that means now the DC value is equal to minus Vm. Now it is going down, shifted. Now the DC value is equal to minus Vm. This is minus Vm and this is minus 2 Vm.